Hey guys, and welcome back to Conservation Queen. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today I have another one of my little DIY videos. I did one back in December for the wild bird feed. This time it isn't quite so much focusing on the animals, but this is something that you guys can do at home to help the environment, to sort of help reduce the amount of things that are being transported across the world, all that sort of stuff. So today we are going to make some little mason jar herb jars. Yay! So the first thing you're going to need to do once you've got your jars is obviously clean them out. Mine, I've already done that. I've taken off the labels. You can soak them in dishwater. Warm, soapy dishwater really helps with that. Gets off the labels, doesn't leave any marks. They all look really nice and clean. You can pop them through the dishwasher, that works as well, but basically clean them out. The next thing we need to do is take a pen, write on the bottom just to remind yourself what it is. If you want to, you can stick a label on right there. I'm just writing on the bottom just because that's what I want to do. I want to kind of keep that nice aesthetic, and just so I can tell if I forget what one's what. Whilst they're seedlings, I can just kind of stir up. But obviously once they're grown, you can tell the difference. You can put a label, whatever you want to do on that bit. But for now, I'm just going to write the name. Right. So my pots are labelled. I have my basil, my coriander and my parsley. They're all nice and hardy, nice and simple. So next step, we need to take some pebbles or beads. I've gone for some pretty glass beads. You basically want 1 or 2 inches of the beads basically on the bottom. So basically what these do is they stop it going mouldy, they stop it sort of getting too compact, and they allow for water space. So basically the plants can breathe better, they can get water better, it's just better for the plants basically. Our next step now is that we need the soil that is going to basically be the home for our little plants. I have got some really basic houseplant potting mix. You can get special stuff for herbs, whatever you fancy. I've just basically got a nice little reusable cup, which I'm going to use like a scoop. I just had these paper cups lying about. Thought rather than destroying my living room, I would use stuff again, make it useful. So you can be as kind of precise as you want about it. You can either make it look really pretty, or you can just throw it in and see what happens. I'm more of the see what happens type person. See that there? Now when I fill it up, there's about an inch left for the repotting. Move out of the way, didn't spill any, which is great. Bear in mind it can take anywhere between 7 and 14 days for the shoots to start appearing, so don't worry if you don't see anything straight away. Just a really little sprinkling of water each day just to keep them hydrated. But for now, let's go find them a windowsill and pop them up ready to grow away. So hopefully in the next 7 days, hopefully it will only be the 7 days and it won't be the 14 that it can take for them to grow, but we'll begin to see the growth of our lovely little herbs, and they're going to grow big and strong in the sunlight in the window. If you can't wait and you're wanting to give them as a gift, or you just really want the seeds straight away, you can actually buy little seedlings from nurseries or from plant shops, and they can have, you know, obviously the nice effect that you already have it in the jar ready to go, so that is totally up to you. I just really wanted to plant them myself because I'm trying to be a bit more green fingered, grow my own food. I'm slowly transitioning to that. But yeah, anyway, I'm being weird now, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another 2 weeks for another video. I have some really, really exciting stuff lined up, so do keep in touch. So turn on those notifications, like this video if you liked it, subscribe, all of that jazz, because you do not want to miss what I've got in the works for you guys. So I'll see you next time.